which brings us to the May retreat, a little bit in the future. So we're going to probably, workshop. Correction, workshop. We'll come back to it. We'll probably describe it in more detail down the line, but say a little bit about it. Give us a taste of what it's going to be in May.
Well, it's all about we are enough. That it was so inbuilt in us that I'm not enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy enough. I lack everything that I need to live my life. You know, it's so ingrained in us to respond in that way that this workshop is all about connecting with I am enough. So there'll be inner journey work, there'll be meditations, there'll be talks, there'll be breakout rooms because it's on Zoom, it's online. And these work really well because we really get intimate with the people on the online workshops. But we've also got retreats, and they are July and October, they're away, but the July one is filling up right now. And the October one, they've asked for all the names 3 months before the event, which is by July. So if you know you want to come, please book your place because there are only so many places available.